Good morning guys, and welcome back to another episode on the 328 M52 Turbo build. I've already filmed most of this, so I'm doing the intro after I've done the filming. I've tried to film as much as possible, but once again work gets in the way, so didn't film everything. But yeah, this is going to be its first start, so we find out in this video if it runs. Our mate Chris, he built the engine about 2 years ago. He'd never built an engine before, so he's excited to know whether it's going to run or not. Should all be fine. But yeah, that's the plan. Get it running, check it for leaks, just make sure everything's running fine. We've got a few more bits to tidy up underneath, put the prop shaft back on, drive shaft, stuff like that. So we're going to get them done. Yeah, so hopefully it'll start in this one. Also just hit the 1,000 subscribers, so thank you very much for everybody who's subbed, and if you haven't already, there's a subscribe button in one of the corners, just click it please. Yeah, so appreciate that. Hope you're enjoying the videos. As I said, I'm going to try to bring one a week if possible, but yeah, so this episode will hopefully see the E36 Turbo start, and next week then it's going for to get its exhaust sorted, and after that then it'll be going, I think it's going to Derv Tech for mapping. Chris has been speaking to them. They've got 500 brake horsepower E36 Turbo running on a standard ECU, and they've advised them 400 brake horsepower with his setup will be more than fine. So yeah, we're looking forward to that. Yeah, so stay tuned. As I said, I have filmed a bit of this already during the week. Probably not as much as I should have. My camera phone that I use is the screen is broken. It's just a pain in the arse to record, so I need to get a new camera really. But yeah, so that's it. So enjoy. Right, so just about to tidy up the fuel lines and put them in their final place. Everything's pretty much done in the engine bay, just need to put some oil in it and some fuel in it, and we'll be starting it next.
Shots about being mobbed by fans, apparently, but they had to move to the UK, they left the UK for a bit more money back in life. I'm pretty sure when we're on the board, they'll be getting
coming out.
So we got oil and fuel in the car, and cranked it over a few times now just to get some oil around the engine. We've cranked it over by hand a few times. Got battery connected so we have power. We film it once since starting.
Alright.
So just cranking it over there, it seems like it's got plenty of compression. We have a bad earth, the engine arms are powder coated. We have cleaned it quite a bit, but obviously not cleaned it good enough, so just have a quick check on the engine now, get that sorted, and then we'll be looking to get started.
down here, up over that, straight into the downpipe. So we can have our the screamer built straight into there.
Good idea.
Yeah, a bit more like it, don't you?
Chris working on his own car. He's come just at the very end, so you can say he done it.
Oh, you done it. You put it together, but you've helped me right out.
Trying to get money knocked off his bill. If he put some parts on.
Yeah, I'll put this on, right? Well, it's fucking done good, but oh well, feel right.
About 5 minutes away from starting it. Chris is crossing his fingers because he built the engine.
Yeah.
We just fitted everything.
Looks good.
We've just added this earth because engine mounts are powder coated. I think there's too much powder coat on them, so there's no metal connecting to the block, so we can't get an earth.
The only one fucking metric Allen key you had was the right one.
Good boys there.
The only one.
I thought we had a thing of blue metric Allen keys.
Yeah, we do, but they're missing.
No, it shouldn't be anywhere. Fucking.
Them ones are annoying.
Who needs fucking blue metric Allen
Three
keys?
are missing.
Oh right. Oh, the thing is there, just none in it.
Got I think there's an 8mm loss.
Someone's gonna have an enjoyable job of finding a fucking screaming pipe like that.
That's why I'm doing something else.
At least it's not us.
It's after 90 and down and out.
Yeah. How much I saved me, yeah?
£2.50.
Brakes to super hard.
Yeah.
That's £2.50, days.
Cool. Keep them coming, keep them coming. I'll put a lamp down here.
Right.
Camber on it.
Like this will probably take more than we put anyway, because it's turbo.
And the oil cooler and that probably.
Christopher, I need everything painted green.
Huh?
See? And everything needs to be powder-coated.
Swings on much faster though.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah?
Swings on much faster than these.
I did just do that.
What?
Yeah, younger than I pressure.
Oh, good enough, good enough. What is it? Fishing fuel. What, the pressure there?
Yeah.
Talk to me up.
Got a small leak, I think maybe Chris done that. Chris might have done that pipe. Take 72.
No, but it should see. Try it. Sound.
5 straight away, eh?
Sound.
No leaks on that anyway.
Bring Alex.
Now.
Bring Alex quick. Done. We've done our job. We can have that.
Out. Yes. Oh, happy days.
It
I'm
runs.
so glad about
Runs big as that. Considering that like that's open.
that. Yeah.
You've got no math in there.
Look at him trying to take the credit for it. Huh? We put it in.
Yeah, you put it in.
And I'm joking. Well,
Well done, Chris.
It's nice to obviously after 3 years of, you know, the problems I've had as well with fucking garbage, you know, my own garbage and slowly fucking
Alright, so that's it. This episode's finished. I forgot to finish it off in the unit, so just pulled in on the way home. As you can see, the car runs. Didn't get to film anywhere near as much as what I wanted. Busy just finishing off things and getting everything ready to get it running. But yeah, so it runs, that's the main goal. We did have a bit of a fuel leak from the fuel pressure regulator, but it was just because we put the fitting in upside down, so spun that around now and it's completely fine. No oil leaks, anything like that, and the engine sounds really good. Chris was worried, it was his first engine he built. But yeah, so the engine is fine. It's going for an exhaust on alignment on Thursday and then an exhaust on Friday. So we're hoping that it should have an exhaust in the next couple of weeks or made. And then it'll be going to mapping after that, and Chris I think is going to use DervTech. They've got a 500 brake horsepower E36 on a standard ECU, so 400 as I said should be completely fine for Chris. Yeah, so that's really it from us from this episode. I'll bring you another episode next week. As I said, we do have a few bits to finish off with the subframe and stuff. I'll film a bit of that and I'll give you an update on what's happening with the exhaust. Yeah, so thanks for watching. As I said at the beginning, just appreciate for everybody who subscribed and helping us hit the 1,000 subscribers. Obviously keep subscribing if you're watching. Like the videos, share them and comment, everything that helps. Yeah, so thank you very much and see you next time.